Did they teach you how to manage your credit in school? Did anyone ever teach you how to manage your credit? Well, nobody taught me. And like most people, I learned the hard way. Hi, I'm Kay. The first time I learned about my credit is when I got turned down for a car loan. I had my heart set on that car. I didn't know what my credit score was. I didn't even know how to find my credit score. And I wasn't alone. Do you know that over 53 million Americans have poor credit? That's right. Anything under a 599 credit score is considered poor credit. And did you know that people with poor credit are actually charged higher interest rates on the same loan than people with even average credit? Let me tell you some of the problems you have when you have poor credit that you may not even be aware of yet. You could be turned down for a job because of a poor credit score. You could be turned down for a mortgage. You could even be turned down to rent an apartment because of a poor credit score. You could even be turned down for insurance. Well, I'm one of those lucky ones. I learned how to restore my credit. And I'm here to tell you that it was simple. All it takes is a desire and a commitment. So click here and let me tell you more.